Hello guys, welcome to TechJect Studio. In previous videos, I have taught you how to create the HTML forms, and in the recent video, I also taught you how you can validate the data that has been entered by the user in your HTML or any kind of form that has been provided. So the next step is where to store the data that has been entered by the user. So for that, we need the database. So in this video, we will learn how you can connect your HTML pages or your website to backend, that is the database. So guys, let's get going. Okay, so I have been demonstrating all the HTML pages creation in WAMP server. So we will proceed with that. So if you have powered on your WAMP server, you can just go in the tray, and if you left click on that, it gives a option called PHP MyAdmin. So this is one of the databases that can be used. So this is my database which I have created. So these are the default databases such as information schema, MySQL. So test is a database that I have created, and under this I have a table that is called as testdb. Okay, so this testdb is a table where I store the data. So I will show the structure of this table. So it currently has only one row, that is the brand. Okay, and under this brand I can add multiple rows. Okay, so I can change this, I can drop this row. So these are all the database options that can be done. So we will make use of this my php admin to connect our website to the backend. So I will first show in this video how you can connect your web pages to the backend, that is the database. So I will just write the script for that. Okay, so we're in our notepad now. So for this, we need to know PHP. So this is the connections and the fetching of the data is done with the help of PHP. So we'll begin with the PHP now. So this is a tag that marks the starting of the PHP, the angular bracket with a question mark and a PHP. Okay, so under this, I will have some variables such as $db host. So we are declaring a host variable here. You can have any name. So I am just having database host. Now my host is the local host. So I will have local host. Okay, then I have to give the DB username. So my username is root, which is a default username. Okay, so if you have specified any other username, you have to log in with that, and you have to also give as something. I'll give DB pass, that is a password. So I will have my password as IBSB06. So this is my password. Okay, and also I will have one error variable. So if there is no connection occurring, it will give a error message. So error, yeah, it will just, I will initialize a string to it, that is error. Okay, uh, yeah. Now I need a variable to make a connection also. So I will have, suppose, con, and I will make use of a command or a query called mysql underscore connect, and under this we have to pass all the variables that we have declared above. So that would be $db host, comma, $db user, comma, and $db pass. Okay, so there are actually multiple methods in which you can create the connection, and this is one of the easiest method, I think, or I use this normally. So r die if these conditions are so here we are actually verifying with this with the variables and its values. So if this does not meet uh, with the value that we are given here, the connection will die, that is the connection will not be established, and at that time we will display a error message. So the help of the $error variable will display the message. And I will also print a message here. So if connection is established, we will get to know. So I will use if condition and dollar connection. If connection is true, okay, then I will make use of, suppose, echo. Echo is one of the output methods such as alert or print. So echo is one of them. So echo connected, connected, yeah. So yeah, this should do it. Okay. So these are the variables: the host name, the username, the password, and this is the variable to display if the error if connection is not occurring. This variable will have the result of this query as a MySQL connect. Okay. So if connection is made, we will get and upon this condition is true, then we will get the status as connected, else the error variable will display as error. So let's quickly save this and try. I'll save it as connection dot php. So dot php and save this. Okay. I'll quickly go to my browser. So localhost. This we have a folder called HTML. Okay, so this is the connection.php here. I will just run it. Okay, you can see it is giving us connector, but it is giving some error also. MySQL. Okay, so I have used MySQL underscore connect here, which is a older version, and the newer version is MySQL I. So make use of MySQL I if you are making a PHP script. So this is a new version. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, so it's showing the status as connected. That means that we have created a connection from our front end to back end successfully. Now let me just change, suppose, my password. Okay, so okay, this is my password, suppose. Let's check. Okay, it is giving me an error. So as my password is wrong, it is giving me an error. So it says that access is denied for root at the localhost database using the password. Okay, so my password is wrong. uh, so yeah guys, that is how you can connect your front end to back end, that is the database. In next video I will show you how you can fetch the data that is stored in particular database or a particular table of a database. For this video, this is it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below, and if you have any suggestions, don't forget to post them in suggestion or the comment box below, and do subscribe to our channel because we will be getting more of such exciting videos. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.